Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and I'm so excited because we're doing a hair review. I haven't done a hair review in forever, and today we are covering the K18 Leave In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright, I have my coffee. Today we are speaking up. Actually, every day we're speaking up. You can't get me to shut up. This is a very interesting product. If you have not heard of K18, then I'm honestly not surprised. I don't remember where I saw this. I think I saw this on Instagram. Probably saw it on Instagram. And I was initially like really intrigued. And now I'm kind of like, now that I've read the instructions, I'm even more intrigued. So let's go into what it is. Basically, this is a molecular repair treatment made with a patented peptide complex, the K18, and it is for hair damaged by bleach, color, chemical services like perms, texturizers, and just your general heat damage. What's most interesting about this is how it's supposed to be used. This is often compared to Olaplex. I have not tried Olaplex, but I will be trying Olaplex very soon, so I will be able to compare. But how you use this is you're supposed to shampoo your hair. They recommend to use a clarifying shampoo if you use a lot of product, and then they ask you to not condition your hair. You're not supposed to use conditioner. I don't know about you. I don't know how you operate, but me, I need a conditioner. I live off conditioner. I don't even use regular conditioner. I always use a hair mask. Like, baby, we don't not condition over here. Like, once I found out what deep conditioner was, I have not gone back. We don't go back. But today, for y'all, for the purpose of this video, I went back to the ghetto. And I didn't use conditioner for the first time in years. Like years. Like probably ever. So that was interesting, and that definitely drew me to this product even more. So what you're supposed to do after you just shampoo your hair and get out of the shower like a psychopath. That's how I felt. I was like, this is psychotic. Like, this isn't even right. Like, who does this? Do men even do this? I don't know. I don't know. Let me know if you've ever just shampooed your hair. Like, let me know. I really need to know the community. But anyways, you towel dry your hair until it's damp. Then you use one pump at a time, working from ends to roots, and leave it on for 4 minutes to activate. And then after those 4 minutes, you can just style as usual, use your regular products, use heat if you'd like, whatever you want to do, just do it then after 4 minutes. And then it says to repeat 4 to 6 shampoos consecutively to see and feel the results. So, let's talk about why I'm using this. So, if you know me, I've been natural for a while. I've been natural for like, I don't even know how many years, because it really don't even matter, but years. And I don't often use a lot of heat on my hair. I really only straighten my hair maybe 2 to 3 times a year. Like, I'm pretty good about not being too over the top with the heat. But I do love a good diffusing. And I'm kind of realizing, I'm like, dang, my hair just looks so much better. It lasts a lot longer when I diffuse my hair. So with that, I was like, well, this kind of sounds perfect, so then I don't have to be afraid of heat damage. And also, I kind of do want to get more into straight styles and things like that, and just like blow drying my hair for like ponytails and whatnot. So I'm not so afraid, you know? I feel like I've just kind of been like a little too conservative with my hair, and I'm ready to branch out and do whatever I want. So that's kind of why I was interested in this, because I'm like, ooh, guilt-free, you know what I mean? Let me discuss the application process. So it does give you a lovely, they do give you a lovely chart. They give you a lot of literature, so there's no way that you can misunderstand how to use this product. Honestly, you can't. So they have a lovely chart. So I would say that I have long hair. So I put it on the long side just because I have a lot of hair. And then it says like fine, medium, thick, coarse. Technically, I have fine hair, but I have a lot of hair. So, according to this chart, I would probably be using 3 pumps. I ended up using about 6. Okay, Okay. And even then, I feel like that's very conservative. I like to use a lot of product because, once again, there's just a lot of surface area to cover when you have this much hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a lot. You know what I'm saying? And so I was like, okay, you know, still want to use it sparingly. So that's what I did. I did skip conditioner as it suggested, which I did. And I did start with really, really dry hair. I'm not going to hold you. It was probably, I can't even remember the last time I washed my hair. So it was probably like a week ago-ish, a week, 6+ days. I skipped the conditioner. I used the towel. I'm actually a huge fan of this towel. It dried my hair very, very quickly, like very, very quickly. Like, I'm very impressed. I'll definitely be using this again. I really, really like this. And I like the color. Like, how cute. Like, terracotta, how cute. Overall, how my hair feels right now, it feels fine. It honestly feels how it usually does after a wash. But as far as how it looks, like, this is cute. Like, I'm not mad at my hair right now. Like, I think it's cute, it's fine, like, it is what it is. But it's just not what my hair usually looks like at the end of a typical day one wash day. I'll insert a picture of my typical day one wash day and what it looks like, and why this kind of didn't work for me. If I'm being honest, it doesn't, like, I need my hair to look like this so that on day 3 it can look like this, and then day 5 it can look, you know, however it's gonna look after that. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I'm starting with day 3 hair, which really messes up my week pretty much. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, it's very fluffy, which isn't like an issue, but the fact that there's no definition kind of makes me feel like it's not moisturized enough. Like, this just doesn't look moisturized to me. Look at my hair. Does it look moisturized to you? Does it look like I washed my hair like 2 hours ago or 4 hours ago? Like, here it look okay-ish, but like, it's just like, what? As I was diffusing, honestly, before I even diffused my hair, I was like, wow, it's really not giving. I have to be real, like, it's really not giving. I don't think the chart is very accurate with how much hair. I think it just didn't, I don't know. It just doesn't, I don't think it took in account, like, people with a lot of hair, I guess. I don't know. Like, I feel like my hair wasn't perfectly saturated even with 6 pumps. It claims to strengthen, smooth your hair, add softness and bounce. It does feel soft. It's no smoother. I wouldn't say that there's necessarily a bounce either. It honestly feels like not stiff, but a little producty, I guess. Like, my hands have a little bit of like a residue on them now. I'm going to try it with conditioner for sure. I just think that's a not ridiculous claim. I just don't think it's made for black people. Like, if I'm keeping it a buck, I don't think that they tried this on hair that was dense enough or textured enough or dry enough. Like, you just must have started off with somebody who had really moisturized hair. I don't know. I just don't know how skipping conditioner, I don't know, maybe they should put like an asterisk for people with afro hair, because we all need some conditioner. So I'm definitely gonna try it that way, but off of first impressions, off of just using the product as it is instructed, and kind of then some with twice as many pumps, I'm really not a fan. Like, this is a $75 hair mask. You get 1.7 fluid ounces. Technically 50 pumps. You get 50 pumps of this. So I've already used 6. I mean, it'll last you a decent amount, but $75. Like, I just, it's just like, my hair look like this. It doesn't make any sense, especially because I know the curl cream that I use is fantastic. It's fantastic. Like, my hair looks perfect. Every time I've used that curl cream, my hair has come out perfect. So it's the fact that I skipped conditioner, and I just think this it's the claim is a bit too much. We're doing a little too much. I think it's trying to justify the $75 price tag. It does have amazing reviews, but I don't think they're from black people, if I'm giving it another, one more buck. It's just, it's really falling flat for me, but I will continue to use this. I will actually update y'all in vlogs about this, but I will be using conditioner because my hair can't look like this again, because I'm not about to wash my hair like 3-4 times a week. I'm just not like, I will also be reviewing Olaplex. Let me know what I should get from Olaplex. I know nothing about Olaplex, so please, if you've ever tried it, let me know what it's like, what I should expect. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Ivana Brook. And other than that, I hope this video found you in the best place possible, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the car, let her feel the sun. I'm gonna see it all by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up wallow and wallow and try get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, look like the new BML. Think I'm done, got stones in my right or left. Say you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there.